have a problem. You see, my mother, she loves free stuff. Now, I love free stuff too, don't get me wrong. But when you bring back a clock with a giant Ohio State logo, this is unacceptable. So here's how I ended with this Ohio State clock. My mom thought she was doing me a favor. She knew I needed a clock for my office, so she saw this Ohio State clock being given away as free merchandise. She knew I needed a clock for my office, since I never keep track of time and I rarely have my phone. How I ended with this Ohio State clock. My mom, my mother, bless her heart. She's like, look what I got for you. I took a look at it. Mom, how could you do this to me? No, 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 no.
Get that shit out of here.
But let's be real. It's not something I'll ever think of putting on my wall. Ohio State has been trying to influence Texas. I mean, did they think handing out clocks would distract us from their eventual choke that will occur in the season? I mean, it's inevitable. Now, I'll give credit to Ohio State for creatively choosing a merchandise items to give away.
But what is Ohio State doing soliciting Texans for Ohio State recruitment? Are they really that desperate? Resorting to dark alleys as a place to conduct recruitment to their subpar school?
It just doesn't make sense. Perhaps they should just hand out a lesson on how to win games instead. Or maybe they thought it would distract us from Texas' impending domination this season. I mean, this is Texas after all, and we're ready to run the table. So now that we have this trash, I took one good look at it, and me, as an engineering student from Texas, I couldn't let this piece of junk go to waste.
So stay tuned for my next video where I transform this ugly garbage looking clock
And turn it into something beautiful. Uh, More videos in 2025.
So what should we do with the Ohio State logo?